It's the end of day 6. Starting to get into it, really starting to get into it now. It's quite a spiritual feeling doing this, because like, although I am very alone, I don't feel lonely at all. So it's mega interesting. Like, yeah, I'm enjoying myself. Enjoying myself a lot. Sun's just set. Yeah. I'm slightly annoyed because I didn't bring the correct tables to do the stars properly, or to do a sextant sight properly, so I have to use the app, and it's not really celestial if you're using an app. I'm a bit annoyed with that. Oh, I mean, all the app does is take away the use of the tables, but still, it's like I'd be using technology, new age technology, and I don't have a scientific computer calculator to do the cosine, sine, all that, inverse, cosine. So yeah, I'm a bit annoyed, but I am gonna just start doing sun runs, so I can do my noon fix all the time, because I don't need tables for that. What an amazing experience! How grateful I am that I get to do this. You know, my amazing wife takes the kids back to Switzerland, and I get to sail my boat. It's just wow. One thing I didn't expect I'd miss is Madeira's hugs every day. And it's probably the same with every dad if you've got a girl. Like, my son can say the sweetest thing to me and he melts my heart, but when my daughter hugs me, it's just a different thing. Yeah, so I miss that. I miss that a lot, actually. Anyway, only another, I'd like to say 50 days, but I think it's going to be longer than that. Anyway, I'm rambling. We're going to have some food and go to sleep. Ciao.